Hey, as we know, cash flow is the lifeblood of any small to medium-sized business, or any business, to be honest with you. Now, what happens if we have sent an invoice and we haven't received payment on the due day? Now, this is a demo account, so there's nothing outstanding here as such. But let's isolate this particular sales order again, sales order 0014. Let's isolate that, and if we can just use the willing suspension of disbelief, if you will, and we haven't been paid. So from SalesCentral, we can send any amount of reminders. All of these reminders are created with yourself. We have, of course, default templates, but let's send a reminder number 1 to the client. And to do so, we simply go to the workflow menu and we choose payment reminder. We send payment reminder, and that will go directly to the emails on the system. It will ask us if that's what we want to send. We're sending it to the demo company, and the date that we send it will be logged here in this column. So let's wait for the script to run and log that particular date. There's the date logged. Now let's go across to my primary email address and see what we have received. And here we are in the primary email address, and we can see we received a reminder. And the reminder is in PDF form, and it will include the invoice number and the amount outstanding. Now, as with the invoice, because we have a tracking pixel on this, as soon as we send it to the customer and the customer opens, this open will be tracked on SalesCentral. Here we are in SalesCentral, and we can see that it has been logged as opened. So we can send any amount of reminders to the customer if it still is outstanding, and also we can record notes over here if we so wish. So that's how we remind customers on invoices that are outstanding via the